Hey there everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics, and today I'm going to show you how to download Odia Question Bank app on your device. Alright, let's get started. First grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Odia Question Bank. And you should see the official Odia Question Bank app appear. Just tap on the app icon and you'll see a blue button that says install. Just tap on it. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or some minutes. Once the download is complete, tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded and launched the Odia Question Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer, and if you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on any future content. Thanks for watching.